Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Card. More birthday to come. And mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Ayan, happiest birthday, Ate Kurt. More birthdays to come, and God bless you always. Love, love.
Kurt, happy birthday sa'yo. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, stay humble, stay lang sa ML. And sana magkaroon ka na ng asawa mo. Meron ka pang pag-asa. Shut up. Let me see, Kurt. Happy birthday.
Yun, Madam Kurt, happy birthday sa'yo ha. Ilang taong ka na. Sana'y marami pang lalaki na dumating sa buhay mo, tsaka maraming burat. Joke lang. Peace.
Happy birthday sa kapatid ko na si Babe Kurt. Hi babe, birthday mo pala ngayon. Happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best in life. Na sana magkaasawa ka na, magka-baby ka na. Always healthy lang palagi. Tapos always stay sexy and mag-beautiful, you know that. Kagigising ko lang. Tapos biglang may nag-chat sa akin. Si Babe Earl na birthday mo daw today. So, ayun. Bigla agad ako nakapag-video talaga. Kaya, sana babe, magkikita-kita na tayo sa susunod. Tayo magkakapatid. Kasi matagal na natin pinagplanuhan yan. Basta andito lang ako palagi, hindi man tayo palagi nag-uusap. Pero andito ako bilang kapatid mo. Kapatid yun ni Ate KG ni Babe Tokyo. Mahal naman ko kayo, love ko kayo bilang kapatid. Happy birthday again, babe. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Hi, Ate Kurt! Ayan, first of all, I just wanna greet you a happy birthday. And I just wish na sana lahat ng mga birthday wish mo is matupad, and good health, of course. Sana mag-enjoy ka this birthday mo, and sana na-surprise ka ng lahat sa mga videong to. Late man ako gawa ng video, but you know, bago ako matulog, inisip ko yung mga sasabihin ko, but I'm thankful that I have known a person like you. Sobrang happy, sobrang energetic. Hindi ko na gusto mo kinuha yung energy mo, kahit ako ubus yung energy ko, but you make us happy, and sana more bikini pictures to come. Kala mo sa FB, and sana you'll find someone that will make you happy, and you'll find your love. Ayan, your love of your life. And yeah, yun lang naman. Sana mag-enjoy ka, and happy birthday.
Yo, gusto ko lang batiin si bro Kurt ng maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. I-enjoy mo na yung sarili mo. Gambata na eh.
Yo, happy birthday kay Kurt. Wish ko bigyan ka ng habang buhay pa. Tapos good health at enjoy lang. Sana marating mo na rin yung mythical immortal. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Ate Kurt. More birthdays to come. Ayan. Stay healthy. Tapos, ayun. Huwag na pala mag-inom. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hi, Ate Kurt, happy birthday. Thank you for being my ate. Thank you sa lahat sa kwentuhan, advices sa jam. Sana makasama kita soon. And ingat ka lagi. And wishing you more birthdays, opportunities, and more money to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, Teresa Caril. Yo. Nasanay na talaga ako tawagin ka Teresa Caril. So, sorry ngayon lang ako naka-greet kasi sobrang busy talaga sa work lately. Tapos, hindi na ako masyadong nag-online. Bihira na lang ako mag-emo. Yun. Happy birthday. Enjoy na lang.
Yon, happy birthday nga pala kay Ate Kurt. Ate Kurt, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Ingat ka palagi. See you soon. Peace.
Nothing beats the Jetsu holiday, and right now you can save 50 pounds per person. And happiest birthday sa aming Ate Kurt dyan, and mag-iingat ka palagi, and God bless pa sa'yo palagi. More birthdays to come, and good health, and pangin pang Jollibee. Happy birthday, Ate Kurt. I love you. Coming from Traude. Peace, yo.
Shoutout ko nga pala yung nakakalaro ko minsan pag nanalo nauuna pa sa lobby, pero pag talo wala nang balikan sa lobby at hindi mo na mahagilap kahit saan kasi nga nag-offline. Syempre ganun talaga. Ayun. Bro, happy birthday. More blessings to come, and then syempre more birthday pa na dumating para sa'yo. Naway malasing ka, yung tipong gumapang ka na lang talaga pa uwi sa kalasingan. Ayun, God bless, ingat palagi, good luck.
Bago ang lahat, ayan, hello everyone. Ayan, it's been a while. Hi, Langga Court. Ayan. Kumusta ka na? I miss you. It's been a while. Yung huli nating usap. Puyat tayo. I think tayo pa o ako lang. Anyway, in that moment, thank you so much, kasi you listen to me. You're there nung I need someone to talk to. So, thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I love you. Ayan. So, here it is. Happy birthday. I hope you're doing well as of now. And, of course, wish you all the best in life. Yun naman lagi nating win-wish someone na kakilala or someone na naging malapit na rin sa atin. I know we're not too close pa, or I could say hindi tayo friend, but masasabi ko I could trust you. Alam mo yan, hindi ako lalapit sa iyo kung I wouldn't trust you, diba? So thank you, and hiling ko lang sa iyo talaga is to live your life to the fullest. You have to stay healthy. No matter what happen, trials sa ating buhay, to fight our life, kailangan natin maging healthy. Physically, mentally, maging healthy tayo doon. Kasi, to last our life here in the world, alam mo yan, para mas ma-enjoy pa natin. So, alam ko naman, you still, I don't know if you're still single right now, pero I hope if someone you like and he like you back, sana pahalagahan ka niya, mahalin ka niya, ingatan ka niya, di ba? So, you're so amazing, napaka-amazing mo kasi you've been through a lot of struggles in your life, pero look at you now, di ba? +1 ka na naman, but napaka-strong mong babae. And I salute you for that. Hindi ko alam anong pang sasabihin ko, but sabi ni Tom, napaka-humble mo daw. So, stay humble. Yun ang sabi niya sa akin. So, kayo naman mas matagal magkakilala. So, yun yung pinapasabi niya. Sabay tawa. Imaginein mo na lang yung expression niya pag nagsasalita siya. O sabi niya, Sabihin mo, stay humble. Ganun. Ay, hindi ko alam kung sabihin ko. Mukha akong tanga dito. Anyway, Langga Court, I wish you all the best in life. And thank you kasi nakilala din kita. You're so amazing. Napaka-amazing mo. Napakalawak mong mag-isip. And that's why lumapit ako sa'yo. Alam mo yan. I know I could trust you. Yeah. Thank you for that. And sa atin na lang yun, no? Huwag mo na i-share. sabay nagsalita ng ganun, no? Trust, pero sorry, biro lang. So yun nga, so alam ko naman iba-iba tayo ng mga circle of friends, and syempre ka na rin sa akin na nakapasok ka na rin sa mga circle of friends ko. So yun na naman, paano kami and paano ako in behalf of the podcast station. Happy birthday, Langga. Magkikita-kita tayo. Imo world is so small, so hindi maiwasan yan, especially naglalaro tayo ng ML, at saka namimiss na kita makipag party sa ML, ha? So invite me sometime. Ayan. And that's all. See you around. Thank you so much, and God bless you, and happy birthday.
Ayan, happy birthday, Kurt. Happy birthday sa isa sa pinaka-special na friend sa buhay ko. Hindi ko man ito nasasabi, pero sobrang magpapasalamat ako sa pagkakaibigan natin. Enjoy mo na yung araw at naway gabayin ka palalo ni Lord sa lahat ng mga desisyon mo sa buhay. Ayun lang. Happy birthday. Love you. Ang ingay!
Hi, Ate Kurt. I just want to greet you happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Always in good health. Sana matupad mo na lahat ng mga dreams mo, and also have a strong relationship sa inyo ng boyfriend mo. And yun, stay maganda, and enjoy your day. God bless you always. Love.
Ayan, shoutout sa lahat. Gusto ko lang palang batiin ng happy birthday si Ate Kurt. Ate Kurt, wish you all the best. More candle to blow, at yun, mag-ingat ka lagi sa mga lalaki dito sa mundo ng imo. Alam mo na, mamapanlin lang sila. Yun, happy birthday!
I got Abio. I got Abio. I got Abio.